Okay, how you going, guys? Today I just want to give you guys a bit of information about a starting issue I got with my X5. So the drama is, found out, related directly to the fuel pump relay. So what you're going to have is, you go to start it, and of course it's going to work now, but what it's going to do is just turn over and not fire. It'll just keep turning over and over and over, like it's run out of diesel. So what the problem is, I'm going to show you is to remove this side cover in the back end, lift up your little window, you can see a relay here. This relay here is faulty, so that needs to be replaced. Okay, so if you're not going to start, pull it out, give it a bit of a tap, put it back in again, and lo and behold, she's going to fire. However, it's okay for me doing that, but for other people doing that, I don't know. So what I'm going to do is, instead of going online and paying $30-40 for one, I'm going to try and get a different one from my local shop, and I'm going to see if that works. Now the funny thing is, this relay has never failed whilst the vehicle's running. It's failed 2 or 3 times on startup only. I'm not sure if that's if the relay is only used during startup, if it's not used at all any other time. But being the diesel fuel pump, I could only assume that it's being used possibly all the time. If you guys have got any advice or any info on that, let me know. I have looked at other videos about other problems relating to the fuel pump itself, which is under the seat, which I don't really want to tackle unless I have to, so I'm just going to check out this relay. The relay can't be pulled apart, otherwise I could pull it apart and check out the contact points, because that's the fault with it. The contact points tend to burn out, which causes the relay to fail, hence doesn't kick over the starting procedure for the car. So anyway, let's get to the shop. So guys, here's what I've done. I've purchased a Nava relay. This is the original. This is the one I've just bought. It's just your standard relay with a resistor. Same pins. In fact, the pins on this one are a tiny bit longer, so you might need to cut them down if you want. Stick them in. Don't need this stuff. So the Nava relay, that was $18. The OEM genuine BMWs, you're looking about $60. So the proof will be in the pudding. So I mean, a relay's a relay. Yeah, the serial numbers and all that hoo-ha aren't the same, but do you know what? Like I just said, a relay's a relay. It does a job. So no errors, all's looking good. Let's cross our fingers and see what happens. Well, that looks like success to me. I think we just fixed our problem. No computer errors. No computer errors. No exclamation marks, no beeping. The car's running. Let's go for a drive and see how we go.